Crypto is a $2 trillion asset class. Are you willing to admit you missed something?
Well, I certainly didn't invest in crypto. I'm proud of the fact I've avoided it. It's like, some venereal disease or something. I just regard it as beneath contempt. Some people think it's modernity, and they welcome a currency that's so useful in extortions and kidnappings and so on, tax evasion. And of course, the envy, everybody has to create his own new currency. And I think that's crazy too. So I'm not having any, I wish it had been banned immediately. And I admire the Chinese for banning it. I think they were right and we've been wrong to allow it.
Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily. Let's talk about what is causing Bitcoin and cryptocurrency to suffer this extreme dip. About 10% in a day. Comment your thoughts. What is the cause of this dip in the comments section below. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. We drop one video every day. We keep you informed. News, opinion, perspective, analysis. That's exactly what we're doing today. Smash the like button, support the channel. What is causing today's dip? 10% in a day. Certainly nothing to scoff at. What is causing today's dip? Comment your thoughts below. Now, I have identified a few different things. I'm going to identify this, help put this on your radar. And also, I want to talk about some big picture world news, fundamental news that to me suggests that Bitcoin, Ethereum, cryptocurrency have a bullish future. First of all, what is causing today's dip? Number one, old chunk of coal Charlie Munger. You may look at this man and go, why do people even take this man seriously? But understand, this is Charlie Munger of Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway fame. This man is known for his decades of savvy investing beating the market. So when he makes comments like he just did on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, people tend to listen, and this is echoing throughout the world. Charlie Munger, crypto is like some venereal disease. Comments from Warren Buffett's right-hand man are going viral. Yes, when Charlie Munger talks about investing, people listen. But also, understand that the world is changing without Charlie. Charlie's getting older, the world is changing, and Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett actually missed out on the tech stock boom. They never got into that because they never understood it. Just like they are missing out and have missed out on the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency boom. No wonder he is so salty about it. In addition, what else is causing today's dip? Well, it's world news, increased tensions between Canada and its citizens, Trudeau and the truckers. They're peacefully protesting by all accounts, but Trudeau in Canada has recently enacted the Emergencies Act, meaning they can freeze bank accounts, they can deplatform you financially, and in addition to this happening with US dollars and the legacy system, they're also trying to control your Bitcoin, your crypto. Canada bans 34 crypto wallets tied to the Freedom Convoy. Those wallets allegedly contain 1.4 million in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So this is scaring the market as well. What you need to know is this. Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau invoked the Emergencies Act on Monday, allowing the government to freeze bank accounts funding the protesters without needing to obtain a court order. Now, according to reports and the authorities in charge, police are attempting to freeze transactions from 34 cryptocurrency wallets associated with the Freedom Convoy. The list purportedly includes 29 Bitcoin wallets, 2 Ethereum wallets, as well as Litecoin, Monero, Cardano wallets. The wallets are said to contain about 25 Bitcoin, worth 1.4 million. There's a lot to say involving this. For sure more that we can say in today's video. I'm curious to know your thoughts on this in the comments below, but the one takeaway I have for you as it relates to crypto is understand this. Although this is scaring the market, no country can freeze a cryptocurrency account. All they can do is tell banks that if money comes from them, that wallet, they're not allowed to cash it out. That's the power of Bitcoin and why it will rise in value as all fiat currency will crash and die out and go to zero, according to this person's opinion. The world seems to be trending towards more authoritative, more totalitarian, more overreach, and they're trying to control crypto. They're trying to control a lot more than just crypto. But hopefully, people look at this and understand that we need options that are permissionless, decentralized, censorship resistant, like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, like so many other cryptocurrency projects. Now, with that being said, let's talk about some of the major green flags that make me bullish, not just for this year, but for this decade. And before we even get into it, think about this. It's insane the amount of adoption we're seeing everywhere. It feels like we get 4 years worth of headlines in 4 days now. And every time I think, okay, we knew this was coming, so why does it feel so surprising? I'm not going to feel surprised when this game theory eventually plays out. Like I said, this isn't just news for this year. This is the direction the world is trending for the next decade. Story number 1, this came out late in the day yesterday. Twitter enables users to give and receive Ethereum tips natively. Users will still need to provide a full ETH address. However, ESN domains have not yet been integrated. Perhaps in the future, they go in baby steps. So it's so awesome to see Twitter natively integrating with Bitcoin and the Lightning Network, natively integrating with Ethereum. Now, the next question is, what layer 2 is Twitter going to integrate with Ethereum? Because it's integrating the NFT verification and sending an Ethereum tip. Are we going to have to pay gas fees? Bitcoin has the Lightning Network. There's plenty of layer 2 options for Ethereum. Curious to see which way Twitter goes on that. And an even bigger question, because as you know, with an Ethereum address, you can also, besides receiving Ethereum, you can receive ERC tokens. Can I send stable coins to this address? Can I send like a chain link or an Aave to this address? These remain to be seen. But again, this is the first step. Just like PayPal is started off listing Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you couldn't withdraw it, but soon you will be able to withdraw it, and soon they will list even more. This is just the beginning. And a year from now, 2 years from now, we're going to understand a lot more than we do today, and I think they're going to be integrated with crypto a lot more than today. In addition, the Ukraine has passed a vote on a bill to legalize Bitcoin and crypto. I mean, this is huge. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies have achieved legal status, and this is what we want, right? It's not that it was illegal before, it's just there's uncertainty. So because there's certainty now, what is the regulation? More and more people, including institutions, can get involved. The bill establishes a basic regulatory framework for all virtual assets in Ukraine. It refers to cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum under the term virtual asset, defined as any asset that cannot already be legally used as a payment instrument or traded for other assets, products, or services. In addition to laying the legal groundwork for incorporating crypto assets into Ukraine's financial and regulatory systems, the bill also confirms citizens' rights to hold and use cryptocurrencies and defines the rights and duties of all cryptocurrency market participants. This is great to see. Let's go further. In other news, established brands that we've been hearing about for years now continue to build and offer value and integrate, in this case, NBA Top Shot, to auction NFTs that grant 5 years of VIP All-Star Game access. The 30 NFTs come with real-world perks, starting with 2023's NBA All-Star Game. Dapper is giving away another NFT as well. I wanted to alert you to this. In other news, Sequoia commits to the cryptocurrency boom with a $600 million fund. There's a lot you can do with $600 million. Sequoia Capital takes another clear step to embrace crypto. The key takeaways are as follows. Sequoia Capital has announced a crypto-dedicated fund that will invest as much as $600 million in digital assets. The fund will actively manage its assets, generating yield through token staking and participating in DAO governance votes. The new fund follows last fall's announcement that Sequoia would combine all of its US and European investments into one fund. Last but not least, let's talk about alternative layer ones. Attention crypto holders, attention crypto traders. Do you invest in crypto? Do you trade crypto? If yes, I have a major opportunity that I need to clue you into. Most people in crypto do not know that they can take advantage of this. You should be investing, you should be trading with Choice IRA app, a retirement account. Trade, invest with Choice, and you pay zero capital gains tax. They offer thousands of traditional assets and tons of crypto assets. You can buy crypto with Choice. You can trade crypto with Choice. These guys are a proud sponsor of our channel. You could hold your own keys if you want. Their fees are low and highly competitive. The bottom line is, if you think your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and cryptocurrency assets are going to be worth a lot of money in the long term, why not put a portion of your stack in the Choice app so you won't have to pay any capital gains tax? Your future self will thank you. Take advantage of this. Use our link and receive $50 in free Bitcoin when you set up an account. Take advantage of this. Let me know if you did. Avalanche growth sparks third-party cross-chain bridges. Avalanche blockchain launched its own official Ethereum bridge last year, but now a third-party cross-chain bridge claims to reduce transaction costs even further. What you need to know is this: Avalanche, a layer 1 proof-of-stake blockchain network, gets a new cross-chain bridge from Umbria Network to help traders transfer liquidity between the Ethereum mainnet and the Avalanche blockchain. Avalanche supports multiple virtual machines, including WebAssembly and Ethereum Virtual Machine, allowing different subchains to incorporate a specific way of operations. Multiple virtual machine support enables easy connection with Avalanche. The network launched its official Ethereum bridge in 2021 to allow the two-way transfer of ERC20 and ERC721 tokens across the two blockchains, but the network's growth and its native token AVAX has been seeing serious gains over the last few months, leading to the creation of a third-party cross-chain bridge. Narni, a new cross-chain bridge by the Umbria Network, promises to offer a 90% cheaper transaction fee compared to the official Avalanche bridge. The platform claims its bespoke system, which uses single asset liquidity pools and a custom Oracle protocol that reduces the computational complexity of bridging, reduces the costs by up to 90%. Great to see one of the blue chip L1 alternatives doing big things like this. Guys, if you appreciated today's video, give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow, friends.